It's Friday grocery haul time. Hello, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel. We just got back from our favorite store, Winco. This week we spent $53.37. So this will be for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for our family of 3 this week. So we do homeschool and my husband does come home or works from home most of the time. So we're eating at home all day, every day. So if you're interested in the recipes, go ahead and follow me. And this week I'll be posting a few different things that I make for dinner. So let's jump into the grocery haul and come back to this week's meal plan after. So let's go ahead and start with the produce. I have a 5-pound bag of potatoes. This was on sale. Some strawberries. I just grabbed 3 mushrooms. Some bananas. Some mandarin oranges. 3 avocados. And here from their bulk section, which Winco is known for, this is a little bag of hummus mix. It's just ground chickpea flour. So it's really easy to just add like your garlic, salt and pepper, and it just water is all that needs. About a cup of white beans, some chocolate chips. This is a bag of mixed rice, wild flour, and I think just brown rice. A bag of lentils. Another from their bulk section is their fresh ground peanut butter. We have some cheddar cheese block, a mozzarella cheese block, all-purpose flour, a can of black beans, a gallon of milk, coffee, and we have a bag of chicken thighs here, 3 pounds, and a bag of frozen blueberries. So let's see what we'll be making this week. So this week's meal plan, first with the bag of flour, there's so much you can do with just like a bag of flour. I'm going to be making bread, 2 things of bread, like a French bread and then like a sandwich bread, tortillas, pancakes, and then like a blueberry or chocolate chip muffins. I haven't really decided yet. So the things I'm going to do to start out the week would be making the bread, and then I'm going to make that hummus mixture and the blueberry muffins, and then with the milk I'm going to make yogurt. If you've never made Instapot yogurt, it's the easiest thing. Just that 1 gallon of milk, you'll get so much more than what you get at like that small little tin at the store. I use it for snacks, and then I use it as like a sour cream replacement in like tacos and stuff. So meal plan for snacks, I have avocado bread, yogurt and fruit like blueberry or strawberries, or what do we have from the garden, fruit in general, smoothies, mozzarella cheese slices, hummus toast, and peanut butter toast. And then breakfast, we do have chickens. So I'll be doing like egg toast with garden fruit, blueberry pancakes, and mushroom and cheese omelets. And then for lunch would be baked potatoes, grilled cheese, leftovers, whatever we have, homemade pizza, and quesadillas. And then our dinner menu for the week is day 1 will be lentil and rice stuffed squash. And day 2 will be black bean tacos with homemade tortillas. Day 3 is the chicken thighs with homemade French fries. Now there's 5 thighs in that packet. So what I'm going to do is, there's 3 of us, and then the other 2 thighs I'm going to just take the meat off and use for like chicken quesadillas or something for lunch. And then I'm going to take all those bones and use my veggie scraps that I have in the freezer and make bone broth to use with these other 2 recipes. So the 4th recipe is going to be white bean kale potato soup with French bread, and a lentil soup with French bread. So some of the garden veggies I'm going to be using are going to be kale, some carrots, celery, cucumber, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, peppers, and garlic. And for this also, I did not include the pantry staples, which are the basic butter, salt, pepper, your spices, syrup, ketchup, cooking oils, your sugars, baking powders, and baking sodas. So this is just a really basic meal plan. You can mix it up on your own, but hopefully this will give you some ideas of what you can do with just some very basic cheap items to add to your pantry. So if you like this information, hit that subscribe button, and I will be posting a few of the dinners that I make this week. Also, these are all kid and husband approved meals. My 11-year-old loves them, my husband loves them, so anytime, you can hear him now. So anytime that is a good thing, I love to share it out because I know how picky kids especially can be. So thank you for watching.